Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 7A Fusion and I'm going to show you how to enable backup and storage, cloud storage. So at first open the settings. Now scroll down till you see here the password, passkeys and accounts, and here as you can see we have our account. If you don't have the account added, just add account Google and log into your Google account over here. After doing so, after adding your account here, we can manage this, set up actually this cloud storage by opening the Google Drive application on our phone. It's here, Google Drive, and we can manage it actually here. But apart from that, apart from this, cloud storage, we can, main goal of the video is to set up the backup. So open the settings and now search for backup or copy data. Tap it and tap backup data. Here tap turn on photos and videos, other device data. Confirm and tap backup now. Confirm your screen lock, and that's actually it. You don't need to do much more. That's it for the video. Have a nice day and goodbye.